on the channel. It's your boy Tylan. It's your girl who? It's your girl who?
Lamaya.
And today we about to do a candy mukbang. Yo, check this out, bro. Look how much candy I got. And we finna come eat it with y'all, but I'm only eating 5 with y'all. That I want to eat all my candy. And then we watching HJG. And then Maya watching HJG. So y'all, before we start the video, make sure this video get a big thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and send us to a friend if you need. Right, Maya?
I'm not cool.
Right, Maya?
I got
Alright. And look at this black monkey. Alright. Let's get it. Let's go. It is I doing a candy mukbang. What the? Candy. Just my mouth moving? I bet. So. Oh. I should not double nonsense. Why should I did this? Oh, okay. Hold on, chat. Got the goods open. We got the goods open. We really do. So, guys, the first candy I'm gonna go to is. Let's see what I want first before I eat in your face. Let's see. This. Let's open it up. Alright, I need to quit it. That's chewy and sour. Next, I want is these. This is sour. How is it so hard to open? Alright, we got it open. That is so sour. That is really sour. To show y'all how much candy I really got. All this candy, like I can't believe it. I really caught all this candy at the parade, the homecoming parade. I got sugar babies, sour patches, trolleys. But I got all the candy. Come in my van, kids. Get the candy. Not like that. I ain't no Diddy. I ain't trying to get canceled from YouTube. Ayo. Please don't do this to the video, YouTube. I'm not trying to get demonetized like SML. Please. Yeah. All the candy I caught, including beads. And yeah, all the candy in there. I picked these, my last candies before I end the vlog. I'm picking these. And all the rest is just gonna be eaten off camera in like 1 week. Cause I'm gonna go through this whole bag. You already know. I'm about to tie this up and then eat my last few candies. Now that the bag is secure, I'm eating with y'all is the gummy bear lifesaver. Open it up. Green apple flavor. I still got the last sour here in my mouth still. But we're gonna attempt to eat this. I have a cough in the background because she's sick, y'all. So let's grab that. Got the M&M peanut pack.
Oh, them boys going crazy. That's crazy. Oh, I ain't doing that. I'm about to put a doodle on myself.
Oh!
Whoa. Whoa. Oh. I would have lost my
I'm almost on my candies.
Whoa. Oh, y'all, they right. Hey, man, I'm going to wait till they get down and I'm going to tune back in. Oh, yeah. Oh, they fresh out their ride. Hey, how it was? Hey, y'all went scared?
Alright, next we got the Krabby Patty.
What time is it, Kim?
Whew.
Oh, it's good. They got out. Oh, yeah, we give them yours one by one. That's one.
It's a green one. I don't know why they just couldn't give me a regular one. What is it so classic?
You know this goes. Hey, you gotta go play games now because it's closed soon. Like real soon. Like you got a game card?
Don't taste like no regular Krabby Patty.
Shut up, go get lit, man.
Nerds.
Oh yeah, he did win last time. Bring that clip up where he
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, nerds.
Yeah, you made daddy upset now because you ain't win nothing. I thought you was gonna win something. Yeah, you gonna win something? Hey, watch that. Let King win something.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, chill.
Oh, that's it. Oh, that's it.
Next we got Sour Patch watermelons. These are hella good. Can get them. That is it. Just 1, 2, 2, 4. Gotta be kidding. Alright. Last candy. Toxic waste. Amen.